Press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification for the latest tips and tricks for free. In this video today, we will see why you can't find the App Store icon in your iPhone. Now right now, if you see on my screen, I don't have app icon here, neither I have app icon here. So in any of the screen, I don't have the app icon. Now let us see how to fix this issue. For this one, what we'll do is we'll go to settings, general, we'll go to restrictions. I have enabled the restrictions, so I have to put the passcode. And if I scroll down here, you can see there is an option installing apps, which I have right now disabled, so I will enable it. Now once I do it, and if I go to the iPhone home screen, you can see the App Store icon, it is again available. So this is the reason why the App Store icon is missing from your iPhone screen. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.